Today we're talking about one of the most unique and misunderstood sports cars of its era, the Mazda RX-8. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A bold experiment from Mazda that dared to be different, with its design, performance, and most importantly, its engine. The RX-8 was the successor to the legendary RX-7, and while it took a different path, it carried the same spirit of rotary-powered excitement. That's right. Under the hood of the RX-8 is the famous 1.3-liter Renesis rotary engine. It might sound small, but don't let the numbers fool you. This little engine revs all the way up to 9,000 RPM and delivers a uniquely smooth, high-revving power band that you just don't get in traditional piston engines. With around 232 horsepower in the high-output manual version, the RX-8 isn't about brute force. It's about balance, precision, and driving joy. The lightweight chassis, perfect 50-50 weight distribution, and rear-wheel drive layout make it an absolute blast to throw into corners. The steering is sharp, the suspension is firm but forgiving, and the entire car feels like it was built for twisty roads. One of the RX-8's most surprising features is its design. It doesn't look like your typical four-door, and that's because it isn't. Mazda gave it rear-hinged freestyle doors in the back, giving access to the rear seats while keeping the coupe-like styling intact. It's practical without sacrificing its sleek, sporty silhouette. Inside, the cabin is driver-focused with sporty bucket seats, a clean layout, and just enough rotary-themed design touches to remind you this car is special. But let's be honest, the RX-8 wasn't perfect. The rotary engine requires high maintenance and burns oil by design. Fuel economy isn't great either, and if you neglect the engine or flood it, it can become a serious headache. That said, for true car lovers, the trade-off is worth it. Because what the RX-8 offers is a unique driving experience that you simply won't find in any other car. Mazda built the RX-8 from 2003 to 2012, and during that time, it developed a cult following. Today, it remains a favorite among enthusiasts who value character over conformity. It's a car that rewards skill, demands attention, and delivers driving thrills every time you start it up. If you're in the market for something different, something with soul, the RX-8 might just be the car for you. It's not the fastest or most powerful sports car out there, but it's one of the most fun to drive and definitely one of the most unique. Thanks for watching. If you love cars with personality, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more awesome content, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload. You're watching Start Auto's Time, where we bring the most exciting cars to life. Let me know if you'd like a version for voiceover or a shorter script for quick video formats.